What's up YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja with another lead. Today I'm inviting you to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment and share for new videos, new information, new ways to earn money online. Most of those ways to earn money online are very simple, very effective, but require an initial amount of time. You can learn more about those things from the links in the description below. Now this video is a very short video and we're going to be reviewing an online job, because as much as there are many people who can start their own online business, some don't have the capital to do so, and so sometimes you need to get an hourly job to get your savings up to reinvest in yourself. And one of those jobs, which is an entry-level job that will pay you $13 to $14 per hour, is working with the American Red Cross. Okay, this job is part-time. Okay, and if you want to learn more about the Red Cross, there's a full-length description on the right hand side here explaining what the Red Cross is about. Now this job position is called a tier 1 agent, and like I said, it's part-time, and they are looking for someone for this particular role in DC. So I'm guessing it's Washington DC, Washington District of Columbia, and they're looking for someone statewide. Right? So real quick, my bad, this lead is actually available across the United States, so that was a typo on their part. They're not looking for somebody in just the Washington area, they're actually looking for people across the US. And so they're looking for quite a few tier 1 agents, not just one person to fill one position, but quite a few across the US. Okay, so they do have a bit of a request or criterion, if you will, that when you're applying, use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Okay, but your job description as a tier 1 agent. Now, as one of the nation's premier humanitarian organizations, the American Red Cross is dedicated to helping people in need throughout the United States and in association with other Red Cross networks throughout the world. We depend on the many generous contributions of time, blood, and money from the American people to support our life-saving services and programs. At the American Red Cross, you will enjoy a collaborative work culture committed to the diversity of our people, programs, and services. If you share our passion for helping people, join us in this excellent career opportunity. We are seeking a part-time tier 1 agent to support our training services team. This position can work from any location in the United States and will work part-time 3 to 5 days a week, Monday through Saturday, and will include variable work hours between 7:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern. This position will work a minimum of 20 hours a week. Okay, so for those candidates located in Colorado, the salary range for this position is $13 to $14 per hour. Note that the American Red Cross sets salary ranges aligned to a specific geographic location in which the job or employee resides. The stated salary range in this posting is an average and may not be reflective of your individual circumstances. We will review specific salary information at the time of phone screening based upon your location. Now, just a synopsis of what you'll be doing. You answer inbound call and email inquiries from training services learners, prospective learners, instructors, and instructor organizations. Answer questions and resolve issues regarding training classes, billing, certifications, and processes. Perform account maintenance on learner and instructor accounts. Perform basic troubleshooting on Red Cross Learning Center. User problems. Triage and manage difficult calls and ensure all calls are followed up on through resolution. Achieve production targets for call handling metrics, email completion, and quality. Perform all duties and responsibilities in compliance with standard operating procedures. Now, those responsibilities will be, again, to answer inbound call and email inquiries from training services learners, prospective learners, instructors, and instructor organizations. So they're pretty much repeating what was just said up here, but in very condensed form. You use information from computer systems and job aids to provide resolution to inquiries, update account records, and note reason and resolution of inquiry. Troubleshoot basic RCLC usage issues. And we read that that's called Red Cross Learning Center. So RCLC, Red Cross Learning Center usage issues. Maintain daily production standards including average handle time, calls per hour, email per hour, percentage online time, and quality. Triage complex problems and root callers to specialized teams. Perform other related duties as assigned. Qualifications, education. They want someone with a high school diploma or equivalent. Experience, previous experience in customer service or sales in a call center environment is preferred but not required. So they're pretty much taking someone straight out of high school without work experience if necessary. You just need to shine and make it clear that you are the one for the job. Skills and abilities, excellent customer service and problem solving skills required. Effective verbal communication skills, the ability to work with potentially difficult customers and work in a fast-paced call center environment is required. Proficiency in using computer applications to quickly and efficiently meet customer needs in a fast-paced work from home virtual call center environment is required. So some of the benefits: health, dental, vision, life and disability insurance, flexible spending accounts, 401k retirement plan with match, paid time off, holidays and floating holidays. Also, we encourage professional development and provide growth opportunities. So they're saying to be considered, visit the page following this link. So you click this link to apply, or you could just hit apply at the top of the page. Okay, so even though they said posted days ago, it was actually posted yesterday. So research was done and it was indeed posted yesterday. It seems that they're having a bit of an issue with their info. For example, it says statewide DC when it's really nationwide USA, and it was actually posted a day ago. So if you have a child, a relative, someone in hard times, someone who's just doing this to pass time, someone who's looking for work experience, then send this link to them. Send the link of this video to them, or just send them the link of this particular post. Okay. The American Red Cross is an equal opportunity employer, so they pretty much accept everyone. There's no preference for sexual orientation or race or gender or religion or national origin, color, disability, veteran status, any of that, age. If you meet the requirements, they'll take you. That's pretty much it. But if you don't want to be earning $13 to $14 per hour and be earning $1,000 per day, check the links in the description below. I guarantee that you will be amazed. And even if you don't opt in, even if you don't try it out for yourself, at least you would have learned about something new. Maybe in the future you'll come back and, give it a try. But for now, learn something. Check the links in the description below. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Stay safe. And while you're staying safe, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more awesomeness. I'll see you guys in the next one.